This is Randy Smith with Vicinity Manufacturing. In this session, I'd like to go over the usage of the Documents area of the Vicinity user portal. On the icons on the top left of the screen, you'll see a Documents icon that you will use to be able to review various documents that Vicinity publishes for our users. In this case, we're looking at all public documents. In other words, these are documents that are shared with all users, no matter who you are, that is given access into the portal. At this stage, we've got a few folders that are already set up out here. One for Focus, which is our annual user conference here in Atlanta. We have an area for for installation guides. So if you're going to install either the product for the first time or install it on a new workstation, or for that matter, do an upgrade, those would be where some of the guides are. Release guides. This folder is designed with every release. We issue a PDF with screenshots and instructions on how to use different new features within a version, and so you'll be able to get information on that. And then our user guides, which currently are in the software, so you can actually get it from help within the software, but also the PDFs associated with the application itself. So it's the user tools. It's fairly intuitive, I think. Just click down into a folder, and then you can pick up, in this case, it's a PDF. You can open it, save it, do whatever you want with it, and it'll open up that PDF. From there, you could print and do whatever you want there. The installation guides, as I was talking about, gives you documentation on how to install either the application or various features. Here are the release guides that I was referring to. So for each release that we do, we present a release guide. If you haven't seen those, I think they'd be very helpful to go take a look at. Each version has got a number of new features associated with it. So we talk about screens that we've migrated from version 2 to 4, new and changed features, enhancements. With each screen that we change and or add, we drop print screens, as well as a description on what's going on that screen. We also show just a list of all the enhancements with the instructions associated with those enhancements, either to an existing or a new screen. Company database changes or new tables or changes to tables. This is particularly helpful if you're doing your own report writing, so that you know kind of what's going on with the databases, both the application databases as well as the system databases. We have an internal tracking system, Team Foundation Service, that will track every bug that is reported to us. It's given a number on it, and then we fix those in subsequent releases, and we're reporting those. So you may actually get a TFS number from us if you identify a bug. This will help you identify the bug number and the fix associated with it. So I would really recommend you take a look at the release guides. They come out with each product release. And then finally, we've also got this user guide section, which is actually the user guide that we ship with the product. It's actually on the client installation of your software. We also have got an area for documents other than just public documents, company-specific documents. We may choose to share something with your company, maybe through the implementation or maybe a customization that we've done, etc. You may find a company document listed here that is specific only to your company, and then more specific than that would be your user. If only you as an individual, not just your entire company, needs to see those documents, we can place those out there for you. So all of these documents are available for your use. Feel free to give us some feedback, especially if there is documentation that you've seen or would like to see up on the system. Please let us know, and we'll be happy to make arrangements to make that happen. Anyway, so that's it on documents. Hope you enjoy this part of the portal.